In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Webflow, the complete 2025 guide. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate these two platforms, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps of creating a sign-up form in Klaviyo and embedding it into your Webflow website, a great way to capture leads and grow your marketing lists without hassle. Let's get started. The simplest method to connect Klaviyo to Webflow is by using the Klaviyo sign-up form embed code. This way you can effortlessly embed a sign-up form directly into your Webflow site, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's hop into Klaviyo. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sign-up form section. Here you'll find the option to create a new sign-up form. Click on that. This is where you'll start designing your form, which is a crucial part of the process. Take your time to create a form that matches your website's aesthetic and appeals to your target audience. Once you're satisfied with the design of your sign-up form, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button. After publishing, you'll be prompted to install the code. Select that option and then copy the code that appears. This code is what you'll embed into your Webflow site. Now let's switch over to Webflow. If you haven't already, log into your Webflow account and open the project where you want to add the sign-up form. With your project open, you'll need to drag an embed element onto your page. This element is what will display your Klaviyo form on your website. Once the embed element is in place, paste the Klaviyo code you previously copied into the embed block. This step is as simple as hitting paste and ensuring it sits well within your page layout. Then click Save and Close to finalize embedding the code on your page. This action saves your changes and closes the editing interface, allowing you to focus on the next step, publishing your site. Finally, publish your site. By doing this, you'll make sure that the changes are live and that visitors can start using the sign-up form straight away. Publishing your site takes only a few moments, and with that you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with Webflow. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to connect Klaviyo to Webflow. By following these steps, you have harnessed the power of both platforms to enhance your website's lead generation capabilities. Remember, keeping forms simple and visually appealing helps attract more users, so always consider the user experience as you design. Thanks for watching, and happy building.